Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to be opening something today that we haven't ever opened before on this channel. Got a few packs of these Topps 2006 update hobby packs, 12 cards per pack.
I like hobby packs.
Going to see what we can find in here, but before we do that, we're going to add another name to our Wall of Fame. And it's going to be someone who's been supporting us from the very beginning of this channel. And he's a Braves fan.
Yay!
Zach Sports Cards and Collectibles. So if you're not familiar with him, go check him out. I'll put his information in the description below. I'll put him right down here.
Right next to, who is that? Mom and Big Chief.
Alrighty. We're going to open this one up first.
So you were telling me that 1 and 4 have a gold parallel?
Yeah, 1 and 4 are numbered gold parallel cards. So that's one of the coolest things you can maybe potentially get out of here with pretty good odds. There are a lot of autos and relics and things like that in here.
Yeah, I wonder what they're numbered at.
So we got Macer Izturis for our first card. Fernando Rodney. I'm not sure if he's still pitching this year or if he decided to retire, but he's well into his 40s now. Juan Cruz. Looks like we may have a gold card in there.
Yeah. I would love a gold number.
Kevin Jarvis.
Jason in gold.
Hector Luna. It's a Paul LaDuca All-Star card.
That's nice.
Yeah. Got a Michael Young All-Star. And he was the winner of something.
Okay, gold. Ooh, numbered at a what?
So Sullivan triples twice in one inning.
Wait, is
Corey
that
Sullivan did that back in April 2006. It's a highlights card, numbered out of 2006.
Okay, so not low.
No, these aren't going to be low numbers. They're going to be just like the ones we opened this past year, numbered out of 2021. So
Yeah, it's still cool.
yeah, cool card. Put that gold card up here.
Ah!
If we can get it to stay up.
There we go.
Got a Jermaine Dye home run derby card. He was a former Brave.
All these like All-Star and Home Run Derby inserts.
Yeah, it's an update pack, so they got a lot of highlights and rookies and things like that in here. Jose Lopez All-Star. Classic duos, David Wright and Cliff Floyd. It's a cool card. And finally, a Chris Carpenter All-Star card.
So not a bad pack.
Yeah, it's okay. A lot of neat stuff in here. And there is a Kevin Franzen.
Rookie.
It's his rookie card. Kevin Thompson rookie card. Jamie Carroll. There's a Jared Weaver rookie card. That's not bad.
All these rookies this pack.
Jordan Tata. Scott Kazmer. There's an Alex Rodriguez All-Star card. That's pretty cool.
Whoa.
Rookie debut of Taylor Buchholz. Heard of Clay Buchholz, but not Taylor. And there's a postseason highlights. NLCS Game 7, Chavez and Yadier Molina. League leaders in stolen bases, Jose Reyes, Juan Pierre, and Hanley Ramirez. There's team leaders for the Astros, Lance Berkman and Roy Oswalt. Carlos Zambrano. And we got ourselves a checklist.
Sadly, these checklists don't have pictures on them.
Sal Pisano. So he's a catcher coach with the Braves now.
He could go in the Mustache Chronicles.
Yeah, for sure. Sports a nice mustache. I didn't realize he played well into the 2000s. I thought he was done earlier than that. There is Milton Bradley, Ryan Sheely, Matt Stairs, Chris Woodward. There's Alfonso Soriano in the Nationals. Piazza hitting his 400th career home run with the Padres. You don't see him in a Padres uniform too often. There's a Mickey Mantle insert card.
That's not one of those autograph ones.
No, it's not an auto card. So this is a insert series. They chronicled every home run he hit in his entire career on a card. So this is home run number 194.
That's a cool. Is it like numbered or anything?
No, just numbered with the home run number there.
It's a cool card.
Yeah, those are neat. There's a Joe Mauer, All-Star. Team leaders for the Angels, Jared Weaver and Vladimir Guerrero. So we pulled Jared Weaver's rookie card up there earlier. David Ortiz, Jermaine Dye, and Travis Hafner on a league leader card. Big Papi hitting 54 homers that year. And Johan Santana, Francisco Liriano, classic duo for the Twins.
One pack of 2006.
Last pack. See if we can get something good out of here.
Ken Griffey Jr. was still playing.
He sure
Yeah,
was.
this one could get him.
There's a Shane Comini rookie card. Don't know who that is. Kaysen Gabbard. Indy Chavez.
Ooh, first Brave.
It's our first Brave card. It's a Bob Wickman.
I don't think we have that one.
No. Juan Castro. Mark Redman All-Star. Grady Sizemore. There's another Mickey Mantle card.
That's 105.
Number 105. And we have a Carl Crawford, Sean Figgins, and Ichiro.
Yeah, the stolen bases leaders.
Yep. Freddie Sanchez, Jason Bay, team leader card. There's a Jim Thome All-Star. It's a nice one. And finally, another team leader card, Carlos Zambrano and Juan Pierre. So no big hits in this opening, but we pulled some cool cards that we haven't seen before.
Yeah.
All in all, it was just a fun rip. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you all enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.